You've got to fly like an eagle, prowl like a lion in Africa, leap like a salmon home from the sea. To keep up with me, you've got to walk like a panther tonight. Walk like a panther tonight. The old hometown just looks the same, like a derelict man who has died out of shame, like a jumbo sail left out in the rain. It's not good, it's not right.